I'll guide you through how to return Amazon items the easy way, without the problem of paying for return shipping. If you're looking to get a refund for an item that didn't work out, or you want to exchange a purchase for a different one, and you want to return an Amazon item, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. Here's the complete process to return an Amazon item. Step 1. Initiate the return online. Log into your Amazon account and go to the Your Order section. Find the item you want to return and click Return or Replace Items. Step 2. State your reason and choose a refund method. Select a reason for your return from the drop-down menu. Next, choose your preferred refund method, whether it's a refund to your original payment card, an Amazon gift card balance, or a replacement item. Step 3. Select your drop-off location. Amazon offers several convenient free return options. Choose a drop-off location near you, such as a UPS store, Whole Foods, or Kohl's. For many returns, you won't need a box or a printed label. You just get a QR code. Step 4. Drop off the item. Take the item to your chosen drop-off location. Show the staff the QR code from your phone, and they will take the item and handle the rest. Your refund will typically be processed very quickly after they receive it. By this, you have successfully returned your Amazon items. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider giving it a like. If you have any question, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more e-commerce video tutorials. Thanks for watching.